Congratulations! Now!
Okay guys, so today we are doing some stew beef. Okay, we have some stew beef going on today. In the pot we have some onion and some ginger. We have some onion and some ginger on the side. Now we're gonna sear the beef a little bit and then we're gonna stew it down. Smelling so good so far. Over here we have some more. So let's put some more in the pot, since our pot can hold a little bit more. Stew beef. Okay guys, so tell me what's going on. It's been a while since you guys see me on a video, so let me know what y'all think, guys. It's been a while. I know I haven't been put up in this video because I've been busy doing some stuff, but appreciate everybody that haven't been waiting for me to put up another video. All my subscribers, viewers, all my YouTuber family, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for staying with me. You understand? You know there's something coming good all the time. Have a little bit of patience and I will bring to you what you've been waiting for. Some good old Jamaican cooking. Yeah, this one is browning. Look at that color. Nice golden brown color. Let's look at this one. Whoa, that looks nice too. Put this one over. Yeah, that one coming on. Yep. Nice color. Man, the smell in this pot is so good, guys. Talking about the aroma in the kitchen, it's just make everything so nice. Yeah, if you haven't used ginger before, it give your food a nice flavor. You see me? Yeah. Put another piece in there. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to fill out this little pot right here. As many as we can. Here we go. We have good amount of steak in this pot right here. So yeah, let that go on. Sear down, sizzle down. You see me? Yeah, looking good. And once again, guys, I want to big up all my subscribers. Bless up on yourself. You know what I say? The channel is not possible without your support. So go ahead and subscribe if it's the first time on the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit notification bell and check all in the notification options. You have 3 options. Check all at the top, so when I put up a new video, you will get it. You understand? Remember, guys, this channel right now is in America, but trust me, you're going to see the channel in Jamaica. In a while, you guys gonna get some video from me. We're gonna have a lot of over the head drone. We're gonna do a lot of drone. Show you what Jamaica look like in the place where I'm from. St. Mary or Rockabessa, the beach, Ocherous, all in place there. You soon start get some nice video from Jamaica, cause I'm about to go on a vacation. You understand? Now Jamaica is where I'm from. Like here, but done. You know, so I said Mary, me come from. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, guys. So stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be a lot of fun and activity coming on the channel, guys. When you see me jump on a plane there and hit Jamaica. So keep tuned, loving the support. Glad you guys are still here. Go on, hit subscribe and support the channel. Okay, guys. So my stew beef is searing in the pot. In the meantime, I'm gonna make some rice and peas to make a full course meal. We have some jasmine rice right here. This is how I keep my jasmine rice, right here. And my peas right here. I'm gonna wash them, put them on the fire, cook them with coconut milk. You guys know the works. Stew beef, rice and peas, coconut milk is what's on the menu for today. We haven't done a stew beef before, so today we're doing a stew beef with a good old Jamaican rice and peas. I know you guys know how to make the rice and peas by now, because I put up a few videos with the rice and peas. But since I'm doing a complete dinner, I have to just go through and just do everything at the same time. So this is what it's like. Guys, we have some more some more steak, beef, sizzling down right here. So we're just gonna give it a brown to it, and smelling so good. These are the ones that we finished. We're gonna put them back into the same thing that we season them into, because we're gonna put them back into the pot again and stew them down. So nothing wrong. We're gonna catch some water in this and wash it out. Put it in there. Here's our rice and peas pot over here. My rice and peas are going to cook down like this up. In the meantime, we have some salt and some thyme and some garlic. All of this, pour this out into this. Yeah, just like that. Give it that nice smell. Give it some flavor. Cook my peas down. If you guys haven't seen this thyme, this is thyme right here, guys. This right there is thyme. If you haven't seen it before, that's called a Spanish thyme. Yeah, something new for those of you guys who haven't seen it before. You can try it out. Okay guys, as you can see, my stew steak is cut up right here on the board. Looking juicy and nice. Look at that bite size. Whew, looking good. So at this point, we are going to take them just like this and add them back to the pot. I must have them flipping all the way. You know guys, here we have some carrot, some broccoli, and some pepper right here. Some garlics, onion. First we want this onion, and we are going to pour this in our pot, in our stew beef. The onion in there just like that, guys. And then we have some water here, and it has the pimento with all the seasonings and stuff in there. Just gonna rinse this out, pour it in, just like that. That's stew beef. Here we have some garlic peg. I think we're gonna cut them, throw them in there just like that. Get it. Okay, guys. Here we are with some Grace browning. What we're gonna do? We're gonna add just a little bit. You can see it's a little bit just like that. Not too much. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. That should be fine. And give it a stir. Doing brown stew beef. Gotta put a little bit of browning in there. Give it that nice taste. Smell all of that, guys. Smells so good. Smelling so good. Start get hungry already. And you know my peas is cooking. My peas is cooking over here. Give you guys a little look at my peas over here. Peas is cooking. You know the peas is tough, so it takes long to cook. So you have to be cooking that joint for a little while before you can get it down to what you want to now, and cut up my vegetable. Put down in my steam pot. Put the lid on. Start up with the vegetable. I'm living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. Cause I'm hiking the price. As Rasta live we have to pay. While Gargamel say, well, thief never like to see. Alright, let's see what we want to start with first. Lift off the pot cover and let the sizzling come out. Yes guys, that's our stew beef stewing down. What me say? Yo, first thing first, get a piece of butter like this. Wrap a piece of butter in there. Yeah. You may ask, why am I putting butter in there? Butter give it a flavor. You see me? Alright. We have some broccoli. Take up our broccoli and pour it in the pot. You see me? Put the broccoli in there. Just like that. We have some carrot. Pour some carrot in there. Just like that. Yeah. Get the carrot in there. Gotta bear with me now, guys. I have to be videoing and serving my pot at the same time. Alright guys, second thing, we have some bell pepper. Putting some bell pepper in there. And they're looking all nice, healthy looking stew beef, some vegetable. This is a jalapeno. So put jalapeno in here. Jalapeno. Get it right. Alright, this is some, you know what this is already, some scallion. Yeah, put some scallion in there. Looking good. Look at that. Green. Look like a vegan pot. Don't it? Tell me what you feel about this pot, guy. What do you think? It's coming on well. Looking good. All season. Know you guys getting hungry by now, but hold on. We'll soon get the thing up on. Yes, guys. This is my stew beef. All stew down, looking good, ready to eat. It doesn't get much better than this, guys. Look at it. Look at all that stew beef. Smell is so good. All the aroma coming out of this pot. Hope you guys enjoy this little cooking tutorial. Remember to thumbs up the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your subscription, support the channel, and help me to do more videos like this. So go ahead and show your support. Thank you for watching Blake TV Kitchen.
Introducing to you the songs like the item scene with a team. Now! Now! Introducing to you the songs like the item scene with a thing called the icons in action.